Hey folks, the Desert Artist here. I was getting some food the other day and this lady made a compliment about my glasses. And she found it interesting about, well, I broke my glasses. I dropped them on the floor and I stepped on them and one of the arms broke off, and so I was confused. So I just ended up breaking off the other arm, and I had some of this copper wire lying around, and so it's pretty stiff stuff. I don't know, I guess probably 10 gauge or so. So anyway, I wrapped it around there, and then I twisted it up, and then I went around the front and down and around to like wrap them, to grab them, right? So then as I wrapped it around on the back side, you can see here, maybe, there we go. Oh, you can see that I wrapped it around here and then just bent it back into a straight 90. Maybe it's because I'm using, oh, that's what it is, because I'm using a camera. I'm not using my handy cam. So that's probably the reason why my focus is out of whack. Anyway, so you can see here that I just wrapped them around and twisted it up and around. And then I hooked them on the little hingy doohickey that's there, that normally you have to go spend $8.99 on a eyeglass repair kit, or $2.99 or whatever they cost, I don't know. But anyway, this is the easier, cheaper, freer, more artsy way of repairing your glasses. So you can look cool, man. Yeah. Right now I'm working on these. I don't know how they're going to turn out, but I'm going to keep you updated because, well, it's a little frosty outside today, so I'm going to be inside here working. And so I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do here. And, well, I've never made this type of moccasin before, so we're going to see how it goes. I'm not sure whether it's going to be something worthy, but I'm going to make it so it will become something worthy. So don't fret, because there's always an answer to the question. You just got to figure it out. This is a Desert Artist. I'm out of here.